Want to learn ethical hacking legally from the comfort of your home? Today, I'll show you how to set up your own hacking lab in under 2 minutes. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal the best tools to get started. For free. All you need is a basic laptop or desktop with decent specs, 8 gigabytes of RAM, a Core i5 processor, and around 100 gigabytes of storage. If that sounds too high-end, don't worry. Virtual labs can save the day. Next, install VirtualBox or VMware. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as your personal playground where you can safely hack without harming the real world. Now, grab a hacking-friendly OS like Kali Linux or Parrot OS. These are packed with ethical hacking tools. Just download their ISO files. It's 100% legal. Want real-world practice? Sign up on platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. They let you test your skills on virtual machines without breaking any laws. And remember, hacking is only legal if you have permission. Always use your lab for learning and ethical purposes. Now you're ready to dive into ethical hacking like a pro. Smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech secrets. Drop a comment with your questions. I'll answer them all.